C. A is for asparagus. Abcdef. O in Greek is for broccoli. C is for carrot, orange and bright. You could bacon, daikon, a radish delight. E is for eggplant, purple and round. F is for fennel, with flavor profound. G is for garlic, it adds a zing. H is for horseradish, spicy as spring. I is for iceberg, crisp and cool. J is for jalapeno, a fiery jewel. K is for kale, leafy and green. L is for leek, a soup time queen. M is for mushroom, so tasty and fun. N is for napa, a cabbage for everyone. O is for okra, slim and neat. P is for pepper, a colorful treat. Q is for quinoa, green but still a veggie. R is for radish, spicy and edgy. S is for spinach, healthy and bright. T is for tomato, a garden delight. U is for upland cress, peppery and nice. V is for veggie, V is for veggie, oh what a slice. U is for watercress, fresh from the stream. X for sigua, in smoothies and beans. Y is for yam, sweet and so good. Z is for zucchini, in pasta it stood.